In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Chrome in dark mode in just a few simple steps. If you spend a lot of time browsing, working, or watching videos in Chrome, dark mode can make the whole experience easier on your eyes and give your browser a clean, modern look. It can also help make late-night browsing much more comfortable. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You want to launch the browser just like you normally would, and once it's open, you're ready for the next step. Now, in the top right corner of Chrome, click the three dots menu. This is where you'll find the main settings and tools for the browser. From the menu, go to Extensions and then select Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official place where you can find themes and extensions for Chrome. Since we're looking for a dark mode look, this is the section you want. Once the Chrome Web Store loads, click into the search bar and type Dark Theme. Then press enter to see the results. You should now see multiple dark theme options appear on the screen. Some themes may be fully black, some may be a softer grey, and others may have different visual styles, so take a moment to browse and choose the one that looks best to you. When you find a theme you like, click on it to open the theme page. On that page, you'll see an Add to Chrome button. Go ahead and click Add to Chrome, and Chrome will install the theme for you. In many cases, the change happens instantly, and your browser will switch into dark mode right away. Once it's installed, you can open a new tab or go back to your browser and see the updated look. If the first theme doesn't feel quite right, you can always go back and try another one until you find the perfect dark style for your workflow. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Chrome in dark mode by finding and installing a theme from the Chrome Web Store. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in comfort and appearance. If this video helped you out, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.